Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today in my cooking diaries, I am going to show you mushroom bell pepper stir fry. Very simple and healthy recipe and the best evening snack recipe too. For this we need bell peppers, mushroom, small onion. Take a kadai, add oil. Once the oil was hot, add green chilli, ginger, chopped garlic, stir it, mix it well till the garlic changes its color. Add half spoon of sugar. It gives you the good taste. Once sugar crystals starts melting, add small onion, yellow bell pepper, red capsicum, give it a mix. It won't take much time. Add mushroom, stir it well. Salt, one-fourth spoon of dark soya sauce, and 1/4 teaspoon of red chili sauce. Very simple, very healthy, and the best evening snack recipe. According to your quantity, you can change it. Stir it well till the mushrooms and capsicums are slightly cooked. Don't overcook it, the taste will not be good. Finally, add 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Here I took the quantities according to my dish. If you increase the quantities, you can add accordingly. Once they are completely cooked, off the stove and add the chopped coriander. Serve it hot and the best recipe is do like it. Thank you. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe.